an aisle in the middle, like a shelf in the middle of the floor. Make this a really crowded bookshop. Like, why not? They haven't really given you any space to pose minifigures anyway, so you may as well just like fill it up with books. More like how Borgin and Burke's, not Borgin and Burke's, the other one, the bookstore, Flourish and Blots in Diagon Alley was. It had books all over the shop, literally all over the shop, piled up and in the windows and stuff. It looks great. So I just would have liked to have seen more books around. I might even customize it a little bit to put some bookshelves in there. Also, T-Bear, thank you so much for the follow. Welcome to the Square Gang. Square Gang, rise up and get yourself a nice cup of tea. Bear. I wish the set had some masonry bricks integrated into walls since it would give the building a lot bit more texture. That's a good point. Yeah, it could have used that. But I do kind of like the smoothness of it as a change, because we do get a lot of masonry bricks and that sort of thing. I can agree, but I kind of like it. I don't mind too much. And I guess they didn't want to have the masonry bricks showing on the inside. That might be why they've made that decision to not do that. But yeah, the stairs are probably my favorite part, as well as the entryway. That I love a good, I love clever part usage, and especially like outdoor architecture with these sets. And that's what we're getting there with the design of the doorway and these, I don't know, these columns up the side. It just looks really nice. The arches over the green glass is maybe your favorite. It is a nice effect, isn't it? It looks pretty great. And these parts, these are wheel arches as well. I would have liked to have seen maybe a tricky technique done to get that little brown part on either side into transclear green as well. But I can live without it. That's fine. Yeah, all in all, really cool start. I just wish we got through a little bit more before we had to finish tonight. Also, let's not forget the nice little just decorative piece out the front there on the floor. That's so cool, on the footpath. Something about that really nice. Something about that is really nice. And I also like the random colored leaves on the floor as well. Just good stuff all around. Beautiful, beautiful start to the set. Next time, tomorrow, we'll be doing, the first thing we'll be doing is bag 3, which will include the top floor, which, or rather the second floor, which will be living quarters, I believe, because it is a house above the bookshop, just like in Black Books. So there we go. What do you guys think? Barnstar thinks it's gorgeous. I agree. It's a really nice start, and I really can't wait to see what the complete set looks like when it's completely built and has come to fruition. I look forward to watching it grow before our eyes. Although I don't get to just watch like you guys, I have to do all the heavy lifting. There you go, really pretty, very pretty. I'm glad we can all agree on this. It's been a fun stream tonight. There's been a lot of shenanigans in the chat, and that's been great. There's been a lot of interesting stuff tonight, a lot of good Splatoon talk, which that was always inevitable after this week. Anyway, another big thanks to Barnstar. Roy is right. We do need to issue Barnstar a very big thanks for blessing us with this set. It wouldn't have been possible without him. Thank you so much, Barnstar, for sending me this for my birthday back in June. I'm sorry it took me so long to get to it, but I'm so glad that we finally started and that you are here to watch it with us. And I hope that you'll be able to at least pop in a little bit at some point tomorrow as well. No, we won't stop at Barnstar. You should cry over how much we're thanking you. But that's about it for me. Let's see who I'm gonna raid. Let's see what we've got. I had no plans tonight, so let's see. Who's live? It's Loden. We could go in on Simon Red or Moons. He's got a giveaway happening right now. The possibilities are practically endless, gang. Let's see. We do raid Moons a lot. I mean, we raided him last Friday, I think. I just want to get points for his giveaway. He's giving away some Pokemon cards. Let's see. Universal Pod is streaming too. That's a good point as well. He's playing Gartic Phone again. Didn't we raid him recently as well? Wait, did we raid him last Friday? And we raided Moon's the stream before that? Question mark? So many options. Only one raid to proc. Oh, you know, I'm kind of feeling Simon because he's got a really cool new overlay going. But we could also raid Justin because he's streaming Lego. So I'll leave it up to you guys. Yell at me in the chat. Do you want to raid Simon to see his new overlay? He is drawing some chibi X-Men and they're very, very cute. Or would we like to raid Justin, who is building the new Asgard set that just came out recently, which includes Fat Thor and Korg, the rock giant whose name I can't remember. Barnstar is insisting on Universal as well. Many options. Let's see. Is he playing Gartic Phone? I love raiding Universe, but I don't get Gartic Phone is my problem. Whoa, his webcam is all over the place. I think he's trying to show his Joy-Cons or something. Alright. Well, whoever I don't raid, I'm gonna shout out anyway. And you should feel free to go chill with any one of them. Do we want more TOS? What was TOS? But anyway, yeah, we need to pick someone. Art or Lego? Let's narrow it down to art or Lego. And we'll wait for you guys to tell me. Showing his Joy-Cons. Oh, I see. Yes, very TOS. All right, we're doing Simon apparently. All right, the jury is in, and the result is guilty. Simon read art stream. Let's go. We're gonna check out his chibi X-Men. Although he's currently looking at Google Images. He's 4 hours in, so he will probably even raid Justin after this. Actually, after he finishes, because I know he watches Justin as well. I think that's actually how he found me. So we're gonna raid in on Simon. That sounds good. God, I thought he was finishing for a second then. So, if you are subscribed, grab this message. If you are unsubscribed, grab this one. If you have tier 2, well, you know what? I feel when I think about it, unsubbed sounds kind of like mean or something. Maybe I should stop saying so. If you are yet to subscribe, or if you are not currently subscribed, you can use the second one. If you've got tier 2 emotes, you've got the third one there. Tier 3, you've got this one. Tier 3 and bit emotes for that one. And finally, just the bit emotes themselves. I might go in with the bit emotes because we're doing Lego, so I want to use the Lego emote ones. If you type /me at the start, it'll go italics like this. You can alternate between the two, and then we can spam them. You can use the tier 2 one for the first time ever, Roy. You must be so excited. Yeah, Cloakroom. Unsubbed, pathetic. Wait, you are? You're not currently subbed, are you? Or are you? Yeah, you're not, bro. As if. You can't be like calling people pathetic when you're unsubbed. We've been in chat for majority of a stream. That's kind of wacky, Bessie. I know. I hope you guys are having fun over there. I might even pop in and say hi. No, thank you guys for being here. You guys have been heaps of fun tonight. Remember, we will be continuing this set tomorrow. We have to build this second floor and then see how much further we can get on this beautiful set. So be sure to hang out with me tomorrow. We should be starting around 1 p.m. If I can start earlier like I did today, I will. So keep an eye out for the ping. As always, you guys have been wonderful. Thank you so much for all the cheers, all the gifted subs, all the continued subs. Roy with tier 2 subscription. Is it just me as my webcam kind of screwy right now? Roy with the tier 2 subscription. Buzz with the tier 3. Barnstar making a grave mistake and upgrading to tier 3 as well. Now this is the ending stream music. This is perfect. And Retro Vix for buying merch. Roy for buying merch. Slam Jam for buying merch. Unusual. Unbelievable is all, and it is unusual, but also unbelievable. And Vix gifting a sub to Cloakroom. Amazing. Vix, thank you very much. Paler than usual is actually whiter than usual is intentional. Actually, I have fixed my camera. That's what that's about. Bex. This is what I really look like in real life. I'm very pale. Anyway, Vix, thank you so much for gifting a sub to Cloakroom. That is amazing. I really appreciate it. Cloakroom, you better appreciate it, buddy. Anyway, let's head over to Simon Red, and he's, like I said, he'll probably end up raiding Justin when we finish. So when he finishes, so that'd be good too. All right. Oh, let me give a shout out to everybody else that we're not raiding as well. So Universe Apart Streams. I think I spelled it correctly. Yes, we did. And also Justin J. Wood, two of our besties out there in the Twitchverse. Wait. SO Justin J. Wood. There we go. Paler than usual is intended. It's what I really look like. Exactly. Exactly. That's what I really look like. All right, guys. Thank you so much for hanging out. Remember to use your sub messages when we get over there. Sorry, our raid messages when we get over there. Thank you again to Barnstar for sending me this set and for making all this possible. Everybody remember to thank Barnstar as well. In fact, let's everybody change up your let's everybody change up your raid messages to say thank you Barnstar, right? This is what we're doing now. So don't use that one, right? Use thank you Barnstar. There we go. Perfect. All right, and now I'll do the tier 2 one as well because I know Roy's using that for the first time. Let's go. This is perfect. This is perfect. This is brilliant. This is the best idea I've had all night. Amazing. Tonight's stream was sponsored by Barnstar. You can make it say that too if you want. That's hilarious. See you streaming, see you Diha, you crazy kid. All right, yeah, I'm very happy with that. Thank you, Barnstar. That's a hilarious raid message. We're killing him. We're killing him. Do it. All right. Everybody spam it as much as you can in Simon's chat, but within reason, I suppose. Hello. Good night, everybody. Let's proc the raid. Who am I raiding? Simon Red. There's an underscore there. All right. We're good. Let's go. See you later, everybody. Thank you so much for hanging out. You've all been amazing. Again, thank you so much for all the bits, all the gift subs, all the subs, and all the merch purchase. See you tomorrow for more bookshop fun. Good night, everybody. And remember, stay square and take care. Or the other way around. What is it? How do I usually do it? Take care and stay square. Good night.
Hello?